Hey everyone, so here we have our pull machine. Now this machine allows us to do some strength tests, making sure that our locks are durable and are heavy duty. What we have mounted and set here in place is our interconnected lock, our eGenius. Now this is already a grade 1 certified lock. And what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be doing an integrity test where we try and rip off the lever. Now we've already been certified, so this is only an integrity test that we're doing internally just to see what the maximums are before we either break off the lever or just deform it and it's not operable anymore. So we'll go ahead and get started on that now. So what we saw is that this actually didn't break off the lever. We actually reached a maximum of 1,000 inch-pounds of force. So now, as you can see, the escutcheon actually started to warp and deform itself. So now what we'll go ahead and do is unmount this and then go ahead and check out what broke internally. So here, as you can see, the under plate that actually holds the escutcheon together onto the other back plate and all those screws, they were actually so strong that what ended up happening is that under plate started warping, and that's what started deforming before the lever actually broke. So we were actually able to achieve 1,000 pounds of force before that even started deforming and warping out of shape.